Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Well, let me ask you, how many of you ever considered taking an online class? How many of you have found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of options available? Well, you are not alone. In today's digital age, the world of education has expanded far beyond the traditional classroom. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one? Today I'm here to guide you through the process of selecting the perfect online learning platform that suits your needs, goals, and learning style. The first step in choosing an online learning platform is clearly define your learning goals. Are you looking to acquire a new skill, earn a certification, or complete a degree program? So till now, have you thought about what you want to achieve through online learning? Well, if you already thought about this, let's move to next step. Evaluate course content and quality. It's essential to evaluate the quality of the course content. Look for platforms that offer courses developed by institutions or industry experts. You should read reviews, check course ratings, and if possible, preview the course material. Then you have to consider the learning experience. Different platforms offer different learning experiences. Some platforms provide a more self-paced learning environment, while others schedule courses with peer interaction and instructor feedback. Think about what type of learning environment suits you best. Do you prefer at your own pace, or do you thrive in a more structured setting with deadlines? Next, check flexibility and accessibility. Flexibility is one of the main advantages of online learning. Make sure the platform you choose fits your schedule and lifestyle. Additionally, check if the platform is accessible on various devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Next, evaluate cost and value. Cost is a significant factor in choosing an online learning platform. Some platforms offer free courses while others require a subscription or one-time payment. It's essential to weigh the cost against the value you'll receive. Think about whether the investment aligns with your learning goals and potential career benefits. Look for placement and career support. One of the key factors in choosing an online learning platform is the career support and placement opportunity they offer. They have partnership with leading companies to help students transition into roles after completing their courses. This support can be invaluable in ensuring that your online learning translates into tangible career benefits. So don't you think that career support and job placement to have when choosing an online platform really matters? Look for community and support. Learning can be more engaging and effective when you have a support system. Look for platforms that offer community features such as discussion forums, peer reviews, and networking opportunities. So, choosing the best online learning platform requires careful consideration of your goals, the quality of course content, the learning experience, flexibility, cost, career support, and community support. By taking the time to evaluate these factors, you can find a platform that not only meets your educational needs but also enhances your learning journey. Remember, the best platform is one that aligns with your personal and professional goals, fits your learning style, offers the support that you need to succeed, and provides career services to help you achieve your dreams. So take the plunge, explore your options, and embark on a learning adventure that can open doors to new opportunities and transforms your future. Thank you. This is Success Pathfinder.